in Mexico. Today's Instagram shout out goes to Static Odyssey. Mike, thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you guys want to have the chance at your Instagram shout out, all you got to do is leave today's hashtag, which is hashtag turbo, and leave your Instagram down below. Christmas and Halloween.
This guy's going at the end of the driveway.
Honestly, this combo together looks good. My man's just missing some eyes. Might scare the post office lady. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Alex Widuch, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is fall. The leaves are on the ground. It is that time of year to make your house all spooky. Also, to rip cars. It's boost weather. Oh, she looking mean. If you guys want to help support the channel, the best thing you can do is go ahead and throw the video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button. I cannot believe we just hit 25,500. It's so crazy. The last video I was thanking you guys for 25,000. And the fact that we went up another 500 in the past couple days is absolutely insane. We are on the road to 100K. So guys, smash the subscribe button. Don't miss out on the content. It's about to get wild. And I'm super excited for where this is going to lead me. I cannot wait to finally get a shop, new cars. If you guys aren't aware, I'm not in the business of selling. I'm in the business of collecting and creating content for you guys. So let's keep making content and collecting cars. So as you guys seen in the last video, I did a full Mark IV to Mark V coilover conversion. I took the Mark IV coilover, I looked at it for a second, and I said, yeet. That's where that coilover belongs, in the trash, in the backyard, honestly in the woods. I got myself some valved and built 12K BC coilovers, fully adjustable with a camber top hat from Mark V, and did a full conversion to a Mark IV. Honestly, one of the best upgrades I could have done for this car besides the hood exit. I've been dailying this car every single day. I honestly haven't driven the Mark VI in a couple days, and I've been doing a whole lot of burnouts. I've been pulling that e-brake off stoplights. It's just a fun thing to do. Outer edge of this tire is completely brand new. It looks fine. Since the old Mark IV coilovers were completely blown, it allowed for a crazy amount of camber to be added, ate up the inner walls of these tires, so the burnouts definitely didn't help it. We are showing cord all the way around. I like to have fun in this car, and I told you guys in the last video that I was going to be doing a driving video, telling you guys what I think about the suspension, and is it a good upgrade, even if you're just trying to get better handling and not camber and all that stuff in a Mark IV. Like I said, I've been dailying this car, and I've been absolutely loving it and trying to figure out what I like about it and what's different about the Mark IV coilovers. And one thing that I went over with these coilovers when I took them out of the car was we talked about how these coilovers had zero preload in them, and the top hat was completely loose, so this car really did drive very poorly. And I was super excited when I purchased these coilovers back in last like May or June. It was a long time ago, and they finally came in. Everything happened. A lot of people are making orders, and I understand that it took a long time for them to come. I just wish they came sooner, but hey, that's just the way it goes. No! So last night I was pulling in, and I hit the freaking side of my Mark VI with the TT, and I scratched it bad, and I chipped the paint. Oh, I know, the Mark VI is a daily, but it still stinks. Oh, it's my fault. I parked the Mark VI not on an angle, so when I pulled in last night, I hit it. The TT's mirror is a little bit scuffed in the corner, but hey, that's just life. The pumpkin all into the ground. Got these metal tie downs. I spun around to get it nice and tight. This thing isn't going anywhere. Now let's head out on the TT. I put $20 of fuel in this thing 2 days ago. Drove it 100 miles, and we're already out. So let's go fill this up, go see Chris the gas man, and fill this bad girl up. Now it doesn't drive straight. I still have to get an alignment, so it tracks really bad to the right. Wheel is beyond responsive now. It doesn't feel like it's floating. I can do pulls without the whole car feel like it's gonna fall apart. Before the camber was changing +5, -7 all over the place because the top hat was moving freely. Now it has its stability, and the car just feels so amazing. I don't know how a Mark IV feels, but all I know is that this solid pillow bearing bushing and the top hat of a Mark V setup is just none the other, way better than a Mark IV. If you don't have this done, you're just messing up. I just pulled up to the gas pump. Saw some local fanboys, a 6 O's for sale. But I told the guy filling my car, I was like, hey, can I get $20 super? Give me $30 super. So this car is gonna be heavy. All right, huge shout out to Chris, best gas tenant ever. Chris low-key said he was gonna blow up my car, so if anything ever happens to it, you know who to hit up. Locals. So one of the things I've been loving about the Mark IV to Mark V coilover swap is that the response of the coilover is 100 times better. Now I did get a 12K valve and spring rate coilover, these are built, but I would imagine if I got the normal 8K, it would have been exactly the same. If the tires were better on this thing and not so bald, this thing would take turns way better, but it's beyond responsive. It's a world of a difference having a proper spring rate, a brand new coilover, a stiff mount. It's a no-brainer to do the swap. I'm super happy on it. And it's a railroad tracks, you guys. You wouldn't even know the railroad tracks were there. I just smashed this thing. Look at this monstrosity. It's just a bag, but what the? I really want to grip up this car. Right now with these tires, I can't really trust them because they are showing cords like I showed you guys earlier in the video. But there's only one way to send a set of tires out. We're gonna have to melt these things off. I mean, we're in Mexico. It's the right time. It's the right place. It's go time. All right, we're in Mexico right now. Honestly, this isn't the best spot. There's cars going back and forth, but we're gonna set this camera up and we're gonna rip it. I laid down some fatties in Mexico for the boys. This thing is smoking. I just made it back home. I smell like 3-day-old clothing. It was a 36-hour drive from Mexico. It's a very far drive. These tires were super sketchy driving home. They were de-lambing. They're super gripped up right now. They got some heat in them like it's as if it was a drift car. I watched the footage and I did see that the camera was actually focused more on the plant and the car was a little bit blurry, but you guys definitely enjoyed that content. I loved watching. I watched it like 5 times. I thought it was super sick seeing the TT ripping. I've never even done like a burnout like that before. I spun the tires, but that was some smoke throwing fun right there. I recommend that you guys do the Mark 4 to Mark 5 coilovers. They were BC coilovers. They did take me about 6 months to get here, but because of everything going on in the world, I kind of understand that, and they were super understanding to me. They got back to my emails, and it was super cool. If you guys want to see me get an S14, S13, the Auto, something like that, I will definitely try to be doing that sometime in the future. What I ask of you guys is to please throw the video a like. The more likes that the videos get, the higher the engagement, and the higher that the commercials pay me. That's just the way it is. That's why YouTubers are always saying, hey, throw the video a like, and also subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I really want to just hoon around for you guys. Get out of this area and just freaking build my dreams and build it for you guys. And I want to meet every single one of you guys. So make sure you throw a thumbs up and subscribe. On that note, guys, that's me a wrap on today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I love making the content for you. I hope you guys were smiling. If you were smiling, let me know down in the comments. Say, Alex, I was smiling. That means so much to me. Remember, your build is unique to you. Don't let anyone talk you down. Like, literally all that stuff does not matter. As long as you're having fun doing what you're doing, that's all that matters. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, you're messing up. Tell your grandmother, tell your grandfather, and please share the video to a friend. I love this thing. Peace out, guys.